This is live price prediction of Vechain. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you every single day. So guys, before I get started video, I want to thanks my brothers who's complete my 2K subscriber. Thanks for 2000 subscriber. Thank you so much. And I want to request for those people who not subscribe ABS Tech channel, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I updating you any cryptocurrencies every day. Okay guys, so let's get started the live price prediction of Vechain. Guys, Vechain has gone up in a few days. If you can focus on the price of Vechain is absolutely gone up. This time the Vechain price is 0.09054 US dollar. This is absolutely gone good, and this is gone up like a rocket. So this is the big change. You can see here the 0.82%, as is absolutely good change in the price. Okay, so if we check it out, the market cap of Vechain as 0.73% gone up. This time you can see here the market cap is also gone up. So this is absolutely the live result you can see. Okay, the full diluted market cap you can see here is also gone up. So this is absolutely good. But if we can see here the last 24-hour result of volume is gone down. This is absolutely very bad. But I hope they can easily they can also gone up in a few days. So thanks. So this is absolutely thanks for Vechain holder too. They cannot sell, don't sell it. Okay, just wait one day more. I hope the price is gone up. The price is gone up, so you just wait one day more. This is not the end of this month. Okay, tomorrow is the end of month, so wait for tomorrow. I update you any best time. If if the price is gone up, then I update you. Then urgently you watch my video. Therefore you just subscribe ABS Tech channel. If I update you to sell it, then absolutely sell it. It's a good time. And please you also share your opinion in a comment box and be active on my channel, because this is very important for good profit. Okay, so thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, see you next time.